We just checked in and now, oh my God, it is so beautiful. Look at the pool.
Welcome to the jungle.
Oh my God.
And congratulations, my ladies.
Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. How pretty. Thank you.
It's a pleasure, girls. I hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Yep. There is champagne for you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Yay.
We have a mini bar right here with some Pringles, chocolates. You can pay at the checkout.
Okay.
And there is the key for the room.
Okay.
And basically outside, feel welcome, feel your home, and anything else, let me know.
Thank you so much. Here is our cute room key. And they have champagne set up for us. Oh. It's hard to pull it, yeah.
So peaceful and zen. You have all of this here. This is this shower, get ready room. This is pretty cute.
It is.
Here is the beautiful sauna.
that treatment. So beautiful. So pretty.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.